Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helped me to create a voice. First of all, we need to add on chat message, and second thing we need to add is a chat model. We need use we no no no. We need no we need okay we need chat message and message a model. Here in this we need to add something like I have already. We need to copy paste it on. Okay, we need to copy it again. Okay, I have this script and we need to choose mini. And here is you can get a screenshot. We need to send it. Okay, you need to get screenshot. And second thing, we need to add a row. Okay, I don't need this. We need to add a submission. Need to add on this area submission. Okay, we need to sample on this area. Okay, we need to add something. Generate. No. We need to add create your first audio. Okay, here is my title, and we need to add what you kind. We need topic, and here we go. We need to start it. Okay, here is the topic. I need a war in 2050. We need to submit. Okay, here we go. It is testing, but we don't need this. We need to add topic. Okay, again the last we need to add first and last you want, and we need some in output was JSON. No output on JSON. We need to go back and we need to start it again. Okay, we need to pin war of 2050 and we need to pin it. Okay, it is pinned, and here we go. In year of 2050, the world lay in the rains. Okay, the script was created. We need to create a audio. First of all, we need to add operation. Do nothing. Okay, we need to brush it, and we need to click on. We need to generate a audio. We need ChatGPT. You can choose your OpenAI and anything you want. We need to generate audio, and we need to use TTS1 model, and we need to add on this area. In this area we need to add we need to run it again, and it is give me data. I need to put on this area. We need to stop deactivate it, and we need to pin it, and we need to execute workflow. Okay, the item was here. We need to go. Here we go. The content was here. We need to add on the text input. Okay, we need to start it. First we need to activate it and run it. It takes some time. Okay, it is created. We need to view it. We need to download it, and we download it, and we need to hear it. Okay, here is my audio.
In the year 2050, the world lay in ruins, devastated by endless wars over scarce resources.
Okay, it is good. We need to go back. Okay, the audio was creating, but we need in text file or in PDF. We need to operation. We need to add. We need to go and we need to add one. Okay, we then do not need. We need to direct. We need to click on this, and we need to add ChatGPT, OpenAI, and we need to generate audio, and we need to put it again. Okay, we can change the voices. I need oily, and we need to assemble it. Okay, we assemble it. We need to add a Gmail. Here is Gmail, and we need to send a message. We click on it. We need to add an email, and we need to add the data. We need to deactivate this and run it again. Okay, we need to stop it, deactivate, and we need to start it again. Okay, it's creating. Okay, it's create the audio and send to the message. And here we go. The message was here. We need to add on this area. First of all, we need to add attachment, and we need data and message. Subject was audio from Seth, and we need to add text, and we need to add your audio is create. Okay, I need to start it again. We need to activate it and start it. Okay, it's running. Need to see the image was here, and it is uploading to the my Gmail, and we need to see it. Okay, we need to reload it. Okay, here we go. The email was here. We need to see. Here we go. We have the audio. We need to see it from
Year
the
2050, the world lay in ruins, devastated by endless.
Okay, it is creating, and the workflow was completely working, and we need to add on this area converter. We need to choose what we want, HTML, JSON you want, and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.